Step right up, young explorers. Today we're going on a journey back in time to meet one of the strangest and most fascinating creatures ever to walk the earth. Imagine an elephant, but instead of a long trunk and tusks, it has a mouth shaped like a giant shovel. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, this animal really existed. Let's dive into the world of Platybelodon, the shovel-tusked elephant. Platybelodon lived between 15 million and 4 million years ago, during a time called the Miocene epoch. This was long after the dinosaurs had disappeared but long before humans appeared on Earth. Now, let's talk about what made Platybelodon so special. 1. It was about the size of a modern African elephant, standing around 3 meters, 10 feet, tall at the shoulder. 2. It weighed about 4 to 5 tons, 8,000 to 10,000 pounds, as heavy as a large truck. 3. Its most distinctive feature was its lower jaw and tusks, which formed a flat, shovel-like shape. Platybelodon had some amazing features. A short trunk, probably similar to that of modern elephants. Huge, flattened lower tusks that formed a shovel-shaped small upper tusks that may have helped cut vegetation. Large, flat teeth perfect for grinding tough plants. A bulky body with strong legs to support its weight. The name Platybelodon means flat spear tooth in Greek, which perfectly describes its unusual mouth shape. Scientists first discovered Platybelodon fossils in the 1920s, and since then, they've found remains in Africa, Asia, and North America. So what did Platybelodon use its shovel mouth for? At first, scientists thought it used it to scoop up water plants like a big spoon. But more recent studies suggest it might have used its lower tusks to strip bark from trees or scoop up plants from the ground. It might have even used its tusks to dig for roots and tubers. Platybelodon was part of a group of prehistoric elephants called gomphotheres. This group included many different types of elephants with all sorts of strange tusk shapes. Platybelodon was one of the last and most specialized members of this group. Scientists think Platybelodon lived in swampy areas or near lakes and rivers. Its teeth show that it ate a lot of tough, fibrous plants. It probably traveled in herds like modern elephants do, for protection and social reasons. Platybelodon went extinct about 4 million years ago. We're not sure exactly why, but it might have been because the climate was changing, making their favorite foods harder to find. Or maybe new types of elephants evolved that were better at surviving in the changing world. The story of Platybelodon shows us how amazing and diverse elephant species used to be.